Okay, I want to show you a little trick on repairs. You can't see me. See my chair? Yeah. So I'm going to show you some repair trick. Brother Roger works great. So remember when I said when I'm drilling the holes for these, it's like don't go too far. This material happens to be a little bit thinner than the last chairs I made. So this is the third iteration, right? Third batch of chairs. And so it's, yeah, you do stuff, right? So I drilled through. So on the top side, see, I've got a little divot, a little void, and it's not so nice. So this, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna repair it. And the trick is super glue. And an old little specialty putty knife. So you keep your dust handy that you've been grinding off all the chairs. And I just happen to have a whole pile of it. And I'm actually going to use a little bit of coarser stuff because I'm just gonna fill that little cone in here from this side. And I hope it's so I'm gonna just put a little bit around it, a little bit goes into it, and I'm gonna drop some of this in there, and then I'm gonna, well, this is not the best tool. Quickly get something that you can pack it in a little bit. A trimmed Allen wrench works nice. And then put a little more on top of that. Let it soak in. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna flip it over. And get rid of the coarse stuff. We'll flip it over. I hope this is within view. And now we're gonna get some finer dust. Make a little reservoir. So it's still void here. There's still a hole. Let's just pop some of that in there, let it penetrate a little bit. Put some fine sawdust on there, kind of smash it in. Get rid of the excess. That's it. That's it. That's the repair. And it sets up really quick. So here's, on the first chair I did, you see, I came through with the pilot again, the center of the spade bit went too far, and oh, there's a little bit of a cut there. So I actually made a little plug to go in there, and then just super glued it in, and then came from the top side. And you always want to overfill it, right? Because you're going to sand it down. So now it becomes pretty indistinct. It's like just a little knot, little defect that's in it. And then the other thing I didn't like this. There was a separation in the grain right here. This whole little line and this whole log. I had issues all along. I had to work around it, right? It was just this big separation. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a lightning strike or something that separates two layers of grain. And they never grow together. But it was still solid enough on the underside that I chose to use it, but I didn't like it lifted. So I, again, did the same thing. Just put a little super glue in there, the sawdust, smash it in there, sand it down. It's like it's beautiful. There's a little bit of void here. Okay, let's repair it. And we sand it again. Let's get your sawdust. Gotta get ready. So there's a little bit here, and I filled these two little knots. There was a void. All the tricks. That's all everything is tricks. You do stuff long enough and you just pick up all the tricks. How do I achieve what I'm after, and what tool do I use? That's a lot of the experience that teaches. You just got to do it. You just do it. You do your best. And you just pay attention. Pay attention to what you're doing, what the results are, and you improve as you go. We're supposed to learn our whole life. I've been doing this for 40 years. And I'm still learning. I still improve. I still look for a better way, better detail, right? I mean, get it to where it's your best. Yep. I have a plaque on the wall here, and it says, how does it work? How does it go? Here, I'll show it to you. Let's go for a little hike. Whoop. So it says, every job is a self-portrait of the person who did it. Autograph your work with excellence. And that's a good motto. Okay. There you go. There's quick repairs. I'm going to shut this off. Bye.